Why does my ASP.NET button toggle div visibility incorrectly? If you're working with ASP.NET webforms and have encountered issues where a button toggle is not handling div visibility correctly, you're not alone. This is a common challenge for many developers. Understanding both the server-side operations and the client-side impacts is crucial to diagnosing and fixing such issues. Common issues and solutions. 1. Client-side versus server-side. One of the primary reasons your ASP.NET button might not toggle a div correctly is due to the inherent nature of webforms. When you click an ASP.NET button, it triggers a postback to the server. This can interfere with JavaScript functions that manage div visibility on the client side. Solution: use Update Panel to avoid a full postback, and ensure that client-side scripts are executed after the partial postback. 2. JavaScript execution. JavaScript is typically used to manage the DOM element's visibility on the client side. If a script designed to toggle a div runs before the DOM fully loads or after a postback, it can cause issues. Solution: ensure your JavaScript executes at the correct time. Use $document.ready in jQuery. Window.onload in vanilla JavaScript. sys.webforms.pageRequestManager.getInstance.add_endRequest for handling update panel postbacks. 3. View state changes. ASP.NET manages state through view state, but sometimes the state of the div visibility may not be preserved. This can lead to a situation where the div toggles incorrectly after postbacks. Solution: ensure that you manage state appropriately. For instance, store the visibility state in a hidden field or within the view state, and restore it during the page_load. 4. HTML structure and IDs. When using client-side scripts, make sure the IDs in your HTML markup match those referenced in the JavaScript. ASP.NET often modifies control IDs, which may cause discrepancies. Solution: use client ID property if you're setting visibility via JavaScript, like so. 5. Debugging. Another critical aspect is thorough debugging. Make use of browser developer tools to inspect the element and ensure scripts are running as expected. Solution: always check the console for any JavaScript errors and use breakpoints to debug the script execution path. Final thoughts. Navigating the nuances of ASP.NET webforms can be challenging when dealing with client-side interactions like div visibility toggling. By understanding these common pitfalls and applying the appropriate solutions, you can ensure a smoother and more predictable behavior in your web applications. Empower yourself with the right tools and strategies to effectively manage client and server-side interactions, and soon, div toggling issues will be a thing of the past.